Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create a roles and for in a DW on cloud web version. Okay. Unfortunately, as I am trying using in a SAP trial version, so I cannot create you the roles. I cannot create because I do not have the privilege. But let me try and show you how to create those things. Okay, so I can give you the options so that I can show you the options. So maybe later point of time, once you have the demo original system, you can able to understand and you can try on that. Okay, so in a security panel, if you go into the users we have already discussed in our previous videos. Now your roles, if you click on the roles, you have all those roles available in a box. So maybe there is a first box is nothing but your business intelligence roles, the second box nothing but database DW roles. Okay, so you have DW administrator who have a full privilege. And first look into this business intelligence. So business intelligence have a two different roles. One is business content creator, one is business content viewer. So creator is something who is you can consider as a developer person, and a viewer is something who is a user, is something like user perspective, and one is a development perspective. The same way data housing on cloud, it is a generic a basic role, and those generally SAP used to provide as a standard roles information in a system. Okay, so these two roles you will always get these things, and these five roles is also available in your system. So first is a DW administrator. DW administrator nothing but the full privilege, is having a full privilege DW. The DW integrator, it is nothing but if you have an integrator which where you generally integrate those DW. The third is the DW modeler, where you just generally keep the DW modeler, where the modeler uh, use this role. So maybe doing the ER diagram, ER model, all those information. The DW space administrator, where you have created DW space. There's a lot of things in DW space creation will become later in a upcoming videos. There you can understand how the video space is created, how the full privilege is given, all those information. So this is nothing but a DW space creator. And the last is DW viewer. So it's something like this. You can say who is a database viewer. It's also the compatible the equivalent database role, the BW content viewer, the role which is something from the intelligence or BI perspective. The same role is converted to database perspective is known as DW viewer. Okay, so let's see what all people is available in the BW creator. So if you click on this BW box, it will open you a window where you have all the different roles available. You can see, like you can see the analytic models. This person will create the analytic model. This can read, you can update, you can delete. Okay, and also he can maintain these things, but he cannot execute or merge, manage all those information is not there. Okay, you can see actually in fact those roles are not there. So it's kind of very easy kind of stuff. It's nothing but your a kind of is kind of a very straightforward, you can, I would say. And straightforward, you can see like all the it's a checkbox. So if you would like to you'd like to create a new role where you just would like to give an analytic model, just read permission, so just click on read permission. So maybe the next role I can understand, so you just look into analytic model roles. Okay, and see the user roles is completely blank, only read role, so you can read the users who have the what permission. The team role also read information, so read is checked, so that means he can only use the roles, read the team information. Okay, so he or she doesn't have any privilege to create or update or delete all those chain information or manage those information. Okay, now it is a BW BI creator. Let's go to BI viewer. Look into this role first. Okay, this role I'm saying. Okay, so analytic model, let's go the user. I am sure that definitely going to be changed. Now I'm going to change the BW content viewer model. So in a viewer model, you can analytic model, you can remember, right? It was a creator, update, delete, and also maintain all those checked. But in the viewer model is only read. You can see there is a very less amount of privilege over here as it is a viewer model. You can see, right? So this is a difference. So once you create a role, depending upon your requirement, you need to check all those roles, what you check, when you tick, what you untick, those information need to be put over here as an example. Okay, So this is all about these things. Once I have a live system, I'll just try to create some live demo kind of thing, but unfortunately as it is a demo system, so I cannot do you the information how it's changed or something, or how to create those roles. Anyway, I hope you can get a fair enough knowledge on these things, the creation of users and roles. Thank you. Bye.